Hello, so nice that you are watching this video since we are daily, day by day, have these motivational meetings, reading quotes from world scriptures in this billion happy life subscribers marathon. So let's read the next chapter. All other chapters you could find at our channel Message to Billions. And get the daily inspiration. The chapter is chapter 4, God's creation and human creativity. The sanctuary of nature. Nature is sacred. All creatures, great and small, are endowed with God's life and the modicum of God's spirit. This insight shared that by all religion tradition is the basis of reverence and respect for all living things. In the Abrahamic religion, God created every creature according to his purpose and imbued with his loving heart. Therefore, every existence, down to grain of sand or a blade of grass, contains elements of the divine. Furthermore, nature exhibits a marvelous balance, as nature is a reliable source of poetic and religious inspiration. By contemplating nature in its original purity, we can touch God. As sensitive people recognize all creatures possess some level of conscious awareness. The diverse species of animals and plants form tribes and nations like their races and nations of men. They are they are our brothers and sisters supported by the same Mother Earth and land as the element that constitute our bodies and sustain our life. When thinking of all the things nature provides, we have much to be thankful for. Not only that, as Father Moon teaches, each creator a precious living masterpiece of God exists for me, for my enjoyment, inspiration, and instruction to love and care for. Divinity with the natural world. Quote from the Bible: "The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof, the world and those who dwell therein." From Shinto quote: "Even in the single leaf of a tree or a tender blade of grass, the awe-inspired deity manifests itself." From Sikhism quote: "This earth is a garden, the Lord is gardener, cherishing all, no one neglected." And from Hinduism, "My energy enters the earth, sustain all that lives. I became the moon, give, giver of water and sap to feed the plants and trees. The solid sky, the cloudy sky, the good sky, the strange sky, the earth produced herbs. The herbs cause us to live. They cause long life. They cause us to be happy. The good life, may it prevail with the air. May it increase. May it stay to the end. Sweet medicines, earth is good. Sweet medicines, earth is complete. Sweet medicines, earth follow the eternal way. Sweet medicines, earth is washed and flow." And another quote from the Bible: "Thou makest springs gush forth in the valleys. They flow between the hills. They give drink to every beast of the field. The wild assets quench their thirst. By them the birds of the air have their habitation. They sing among the branches. From this lofty abode thou waters the mountain. The earth is satisfied with the fruit of thy work. Thou dost cause the grass to grow for the cattle and plant for man to cultivate, that may bring forth food from the earth and wine to gladden the heart of man, oil to make his face shine, and bread to straighten man's heart. The trees of the Lord are watered abundantly. The cedars of Lebanon, which he planted, in them the birds build their nests. O Lord, how manifold are thy works. From African tradition, religions quote: "The stream crossed the path, the path crossed the stream. Which of them is the elder? Did we not cut the path to go and meet this stream? The stream had its origin long ago. It had its origin in the Creator. He created things pure Tano." And quotes from the Second Coming Messiah, Sun God's hand to touch every small blade of grass that the world is the field. Every growing tree received the touch of God's infinite heart. Everything in the universe arose from the heart of God. The universe in its entirety is the result of God's creative idea, whose motivation is divine love. A poet who senses this is a truly great poet. If on seeing a single leaf shaking in the wind, he senses the cosmic heart and express it, then he would be a poet for the entire universe. When viewed while in a mystical state, a single grain of sand contains within itself the principle of the universe. A single atom contains the boundless harmony of the universe. All things that exist through maybe not aware of it, are resultant being of the former through the action of complete forces. The smallest molecules, atoms, and even subatomic particles do not exist unconsciously, but contain a certain consciousness and purpose. Thus, all things that exist have come into being through God's loving hand and necessarily possess a bond of heart with God. Did the absolute being create all the creatures in the heaven and on earth with the heart of sorrow? No, he created with a heart of joy. God rejoiced all he watched the creation unfold. How joyful was he? If we knew, we could begin to recognize the supreme value of each one of God's creation. Yet people do not know how much God values his creation. We do not know because we are still searching for God. People love nature. They may refer nature to other people. Nature became, it still carries its original God-given nature, is much purer than human beings. Even people who live in great houses and enjoy all the convenience of civilization living want to vacate at the beach or camp in the mountain. Why? their original form is looking for some comparable compassion, and nature came closest. Human civilization is inconceivable apart from nature. People display their power and authority, yet without nature nothing is possible. Nature makes our lives valuable. It is absolutely necessary for our life. Therefore, if we do not feel the heart that flows in nature, we cannot enjoy true happiness, nor can be close to God and partake of His glory. The next time you look at a flower or a patch of grass, see it from God's point of view, reflecting God's heart. Whenever you look at an insect, a bird, an animal, a feeling should arise within you that connect you with God. Father, may all creature of heaven and earth eternally offer hymns of praise to thee, the Lord of the universe. Every created being is related to thee. On the all things of heaven and earth, molded through thy heart. Raise up thy glory, reveal thy holiness, and profoundly and display thine infinite values. So inspirational and motivational for today. Quotes. Let's read further from the Happy Modern Homo Sapiens book. The chapter is The Soul. It's very interesting that modern science has helped to prove the theological doctrine of the soul, the moment of astral disembodiment in which the energy of the soul leaves the body during death, was captured by Russian scientist Konstantin Korotkov. He used a bioelectrographic camera to photograph an individual at the exact time of death by using the gas discharge visualization method and advanced technology of Kirlian photography. It showed the life force of the person leaving the body gradually. Fancy theories nowadays, as a trend, try to convince us that in our life, for happiness, we should only get from point A to B. This is another chapter, Happy Life Philosophy. We will read it tomorrow. Stay with us. So, thank you very much for watching. Please comment with your idea, this motivational quote video, and wish you a great day today. Please share this video at least 7 times, that it will cross the globe and return happiness to you. Wherever you will have good or not so good day, when you feel the moment of difficulties or great victories, please remember these quotes for today and watch one more time this video. I like this, what I'll take for today to practice in my day. Whenever you look at an insect, a bird, or an animal, a feeling should arise within you that connect you with God. So this is very, very interesting. Have a great, blessed day. Please contact me anytime for cooperation, and subscribe to the channel if you don't subscribe it yet. And don't forget, please make morning exercise, because this is very important every day in this difficult time. All the best. Have a great day. Bye bye.